family. It's hurricane season again. I'm Gwen Carter, aka Giru Sekmet Kam from Holistic Health Alert, Nature Signature. I come to talk to you about environmental resources that are lying dormant that can support you in preventing drama and trauma to your body during the hurricane season and relieving any incidents afterwards. This is my baby, the prickly pear cactus. It's called nopal, it's called watchet, it's called tuna cactus. This cactus is rich in iron, calcium, magnesium, fiber, ash, energy, stores water, so it will hydrate you, it breaks fevers. This cactus will normalize your blood pressure, your blood sugar, your cholesterol, as well as handle any acid reflux, chronic constipation. You can even bang this up, filter water through it. It will catch the sediment, and then you can boil your water for drinking. The prickly pear cactus is such a rich food. It is used during food scarcity. So before a hurricane, chop up your leaves and take them home. After a hurricane, go in your community, look on the ground. You will find many, many leaves lying dormant, as well as the plum. So you will use these resources to relieve pain, anxiety, to give you mental clarity so you can know what to do and how to do it. It will take care of many, many disorders. Please, family, learn this plant, set up cottage industries in your villages, your towns, your communities. Go to work, make money, do it as a co-optive business, and you will never regret it. Learn the prickly pear cactus. Email me, cartergwen11@gmail.com, and we will talk further about how to prepare it. Another very important environmental resource that virtually lies dormant in most places is the neem tree. The neem tree is considered cure-all. The village pharmacy detoxifies the blood, the liver. There is nothing that the neem tree has not handled, which is why it's called cure-all. You can take this, break a fever, anywhere from teeth and gum. You can buy it in the store in powder. It also has its own fruit. It also has its own flower. The neem leaf, of course, is very bitter, but the liver must have bitter, okay? It also, when you take the flower, the tea from the flower, it gives you a sweet essence. When the fruit is ripe, it actually has a sweet flavor to it. I'm going to keep it simple, family. Before a disaster, after a disaster, this is one of your best friends. Keep your dry leaves at home. If you happen not to live in the tropics like myself, you can buy this in health food stores, in Indian stores, in African stores. The powder you can buy, the neem oil is extremely therapeutic. The neem tablets, do not be without your neem. It is critically important. And how come I'm in the neem tree? Because you can heal yourself just sitting under the neem tree. I can remember on my first trip to Ghana 20 years ago, sitting under the neem tree at my apartment, actually my wonderful house, and it really, really was so therapeutic for what I needed that I actually had a Kundalini experience. And any of you that are meditators know that's not an easy, euphoric feeling to reach. But under a neem tree, oh, you will reach it. You will heal. And I used it in Ghana not to get malaria. I drank a quarter of an ounce every day, never had malaria, and never had diarrhea. The neem leaf, you can buy neem toothpaste. You can make your own neem toothpaste with the powder. This tree is extremely therapeutic in many, many ways. Family, the moringa tree. It grows wild. The moringa, different from the neem, the moringa is a complete food. It is so nutrient rich. And of course, food is your medicine, so don't let me make you think that neem is not your food also. The moringa, great anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, just like the neem. You can use the leaf as your salad. The tea, you can take the flower and make a tea. The flower is sweet. Again, this is a dry pod, the brown one, compared to the green. And again, you just open it, you take the seeds out, you open the seeds, and you eat I want to say 3 to 5 seeds a day. During a storm, before a storm, make sure you come and gather your moringa. Make sure after the storm, you come and look on the ground. There will be so much moringa laying around. There should be moringa trees all around you. Dry it out, make your powder. Moringa is just miraculous for the skin, for so many disorders, like the neem, like the cactus. Those plants are fabulous for the skin. And why do I bring the skin up over and over? The skin is the largest organ in the body. So when you put these nutrient-rich plants, environmental resources on the skin, it gets right into the bloodstream. You're taking these things internally and externally. You can only be well. You will be resilient. The earth is resilient on its own. Don't let anybody make you think that they can make the earth resilient, because they cannot. That is the universe's job. And you can make yourself resilient just by sticking close to nature. I thank you again. Be prepared this hurricane season. Don't let it catch you unprepared with all your great environmental resources lying dormant. I thank you. I'm Sister Gwen Carter, aka Giru Sekhmet Kam from Holistic Health Alert, Nature Signature, and I look forward to serving you anytime and all the time. I am here to be blessed with you. Very rich in iodine, great as a blood cleanser, great for detoxing the entire system, great as a seasoning in your food, great mixed with other sea mosses with kelp, so rich in over 60 different nutrients. Farmers are now using it as a fertilizer. Their plants are stronger, growing faster. There is just a wealth of capital lying dormant. But trust me, it is a lifesaver. And in terms of your disaster management, prepare your sea algae, your sea veggies. This is spirulina, a nice bunch of spirulina mixed with the bladderwrack. Your wellness, so spirulina, a 3.5 billion year old sea vegetable. 95% digestible, 2,000 enzymes, 70% protein, whole food B12, B complex. The vitamin A content is so high, the doctors in the hospital let the patients take it, especially their patients with HIV, because it boosts the immune system so well. It's considered a complete food. It doesn't get better. Spirulina, swim in it, bathe in it, drink it, eat it. It's everything. There are 35 varieties of spirulina. I've identified about 10 different varieties over my 20-year span in the Eastern Caribbean. I'm telling you people, during a storm, come to the sea afterwards and pick up your sea vegetables and go home and heal yourself. You know, when you have whole food B12 and B complex, your nerves will relax. You can think, you will know what to do, how to relieve yourself. It takes pain out the body. Stop bleeding. Great for many, many things. Girl, you know that's my baby, right? Yes.